Model 2015 Renault TRAFIC VIVARO SL27dCi 115 Sport Van Spares OR Repair needs gearbox starstruck. Body black, crew cab, panel van. Mileage 169,884. MOT the 1st of December 2024. Engine 1598 CCR9M 115E5A. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Van is stuck in second gear. Gearbox will need repairing or replacing. Easy repair if you know what you're doing. What a clean van. Open mouth smile. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: cruise control, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,495. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0